Once in a sunlit art studio, an artist lived for the pure joy of painting. Every brushstroke told a vivid story full of warmth and emotion. This is the story of the blind painter. Let's learn 15 vocabulary words from today's story. Art was Ethan's greatest passion, his entire world.
When I paint, I feel truly alive.
Then suddenly an unexpected illness took away his sight forever.
Why is it so dark? I can't see anything.
The doctor broke the heartbreaking news with gentle sympathy.
My art. My whole dream is gone.
Days turned into weeks of silence and deep despair.
Without colors, who am I anymore?
His younger sister, Mia, refused to let him give up on his talent.
Ethan, your hands still remember every single color.
Mia, stop! I can't even see the canvas.
You don't need your eyes to feel the sunset, Ethan.
With trembling fingers, Ethan picked up the brush one more time. Guided by memory and emotion, he made his very first stroke.
I can still feel the light inside me.
For the first time in months, hope was fully alive. Word number 1, talent, a natural skill or ability.
Talent.
Word number 2, blind, unable to see. Word number 3, doubt, a feeling of being unsure. Word number 4, determined, having made a firm decision. Word number 5, overcome, to deal with a difficult problem. Let's review talent, blind, doubt, determined, overcome. Ethan learned to identify colors by their texture and thickness. Every failed attempt brought him closer to a brand new style.
The sky is fiery orange right now, fading right into warm gold.
I can actually feel the heat in this bright orange mix.
Does it really show what's inside my heart?
More than ever before, Ethan. Don't stop now.
Months rolled by as Ethan practiced tirelessly every single day. Soon his hands moved across the canvas with pure confidence. A breathtaking series of new paintings was born. One afternoon, a respected art instructor walked in and saw his work. She was completely stunned by the powerful emotion in each layer of paint.
Ethan, the world is finally going to see your true vision. I can't believe it.
Opening night of the art gallery exhibition arrived.
What if people only see someone who lost his sight?
Guests gathered around each piece, amazed by the rich textures. In the main hall stood his greatest piece, a glowing sunset over the ocean. The entire room fell into a quiet, respectful silence. Visitors personally walked up to thank him for touching their hearts.
They don't just see the artwork, they really feel it.
By the end of the evening, every single artwork had been purchased.
You did it, Ethan! You showed everyone your amazing world!
Ethan was no longer defined by his loss, but by his vision. Years later, Ethan became an inspiring mentor to young creators across the country.
Never paint just what is in front of you. Paint what you feel inside your soul.
He proved that our greatest strength comes from within, a powerful legacy of courage that will last forever. Remember, true vision comes from within. Now let's review the rest of our vocabulary words from today's lesson. Number 6, vision. Number 7, patience. Number 8, struggle. Number 9, perseverance. Number 10, masterpiece. Number 11, courage. Number 12, inspire. Number 13, believe. Number 14, achieve. And number 15, legacy. Now let's review the 15 words: talent, blind, despair, doubt, refuse, stroke, hope, identify, texture, inspire, challenge, collection, mastery, vision, perseverance. Awesome job, everyone!
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.
If you enjoyed this story, go ahead and hit that like button.
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another story.
What was your favorite word from today's lesson? Let us know in the comments below.
We always love reading your comments and feedback.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.